Operating lamp, which one would you choose? The child female lamp or the double female lamp? If you want to know the answer of this question, follow, like, and keep watching the video. Usually, the hospital will purchase the operating room according to the operating room needs and functions. So the biggest difference between the double female lamp and the child female lamp, it's the size of the plate lamp. Depending on the size of the lamp panel, the number of the lamp beads configured will also vary. In normal circumstances, the double female lamp will be higher in the brightness than the child female lamp. We will have a look. So this is for the double female lamp. And this is for the child female lamp. If it's a general ordinary 100 level room, it's enough to choose the child female operating lamp. But if there is higher requirements for the operating room, it's better to choose the double female lamp. So if you want to know more about Sycon Black technology, leave us a message.